Hey, what's up, everybody? Today in our Tech Talk, we're going to really talk about how to isolate selections quickly and conveniently in Adobe Photoshop 2026. So as you can see here, we have this product mockup of the 6 mice. While a really nice shot, I want to give a little bit of customization to this to add a little bit design flair and give the viewer a little bit more of rhythm and repetition in the work. So to do this, we're going to not grab our pen tool and painstakingly select all of these elements, but instead, we're going to use the Object Selection tool. You can find the Object Selection tool by hitting W on your keyboard or simply going down to your toolbar and looking for Object Selection tool. I have mine selected here. Now, there's not much else to this. We're going to simply go through and highlight and left-click some of the elements. Now, you'll see every time I highlight, it deselects the other selection. So if you've been using Photoshop for a long time, you know by holding the Shift key, you can add to a selection. If you hold your Option, if you're on a Mac, or Alt key, you can toggle and subtract click from a selection. This allows us full customization of our selection. So let's go ahead and I'll hold Shift one more time and click, select these 3 mice. Now, I want to work in non-destructive editing. So to do this, I'm not going to get my paintbrush and paint in my elements, but instead I'm going to go to my adjustment panels and I'm going to look for the hue and saturation adjustment layer. What this will do is this layer will recognize the 3 selections, and when I click it, it will create a layer mask that isolates just those 3 mice. Now, once I have those isolated, and I know they're isolated because I can see these white marks in the shape of the mice, I can go ahead and select Colorize, and now the fun part. I can adjust the hue to change this to any color I wish, so maybe we're going to go for kind of a pinkish purple color. I can change the saturation to pull down and have gray values, or pull the vibrance and saturation even higher, and then slightly adjust the lightness. Now, I will say if you're using the adjustment layer, be careful with the lightness because this can really make these look like stickers and overly flat. So you just want to go just a little bit with the lightness. A little goes a long way. And there you have it. We've taken this boring flat design into something more visually dynamic with a lot more customization. If you like this Tech Talk, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.